Not sure whose trailer this is, but I hope I get a chance to meet this guy this afternoon. I'm a little puzzled by a couple of things. I'm guessing because he has our fleece sleeve protectors over this long strap that maybe he's running them through the wheel. That's just a guess. One thing I wanted to point out, seeing that this ratchet handle is absolutely destroyed, is that at Max we never force you to buy a complete assembly. Let's face it, folks, tie-down equipment is utilitarian in nature. At some point you're bound to tear something up, run over it, whatever. It looks like that was indeed a run-over issue with that ratchet handle. But you can buy any replacement piece or part that you need from any ratchet assembly that we make. We never force you to buy the whole thing, just the portion that you tore up. So running end, fixed end, ratchet handle, direct hook, whatever it might be, all available individually a la carte from Max.